am again here with our chapter 2 of science, named components of food. Now our next topic is vitamins. Vitamins are very important for proper functioning. Our body needs vitamin in small quantities. Vitamins are also called as protective food. In the comparison of carbohydrate, proteins and fat, vitamins are very less in our body. Now we will learn about two very important roles of vitamin in our body. First, vitamin keeps our body from diseases and infections. And second, it keeps our bones, skin, teeth and gums healthy. Now, you know friends, vitamins are of several kinds such as vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E and vitamin K. These all are the several kinds of the vitamin. Our body needs all these vitamins in small quantities. All the vitamins have their own work, own role in our body. Now, by chart, we will learn about these vitamins. Vitamin A. The source of vitamin A is carrot, mango, etc. Role eye. It keeps healthy our eyes and skins. Vitamin B. Meat, milk, etc. It releases energy and formation of the RBC, means the red blood cells. The vitamin C. The source of vitamin C is orange, amla, chilies, etc. Almost all the source thing include in vitamin C. Role of vitamin C is it keep healthy our teeth, bones and gums. Vitamin D. Sunlight, fish, etc. You know friends, sunlight is one of the most important source of vitamin D. It keeps strong our bones and teeth. Vitamin E. Milk, nuts, egg, etc. are the sources of vitamin E. The role of vitamin E, it keeps healthy our body and skin. Vitamin K. Spinach, cabbage, mainly the leafy vegetables include in vitamin K. The role of vitamin K is it helps in clotting of blood. Now, the important and very main and very important thing that we learn in vitamin is that vitamin is protective food. It helps in proper formation. And third is vitamin required very small quantity and etc. are these three is very important role of vitamin in our body. Now we learn about minerals. Minerals. You know, like vitamin, minerals are also called as protective food. Minerals remain our body healthy and strong. Like vitamin, minerals are also in small quantity in our body. Some important minerals are iodine, iron, calcium, phosphorus, etc. are the important minerals. Now we learn about these important minerals, some, not all. First we learn about calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus are essential in formation of bones. They remain also our body healthy. The source of calcium and phosphorus are milk, egg, cheese, etc. are the source of calcium and phosphorus. Now, iodine. keeps our body healthy. Iodine. The source of iodine is salt, seafood, fish, etc. But from the deficiency of iodine, cases goiter. The swelling in the neck is called goiter. Now we learn about iron. Iron is essential for the formation of hemoglobin, the red blood pigment present in our RBC. The full form of RBC is red blood cells. Due to the deficiency of hemoglobin, cases anemia. And the sources of iron are leafy vegetables such as broccoli, cabbage, etc., spinach. The main and very important thing we learn in vitamin is we learn in minerals is first, it is protective food. Second, it is present in a small quantity in our body. Third, it helps in proper formation of bones. Now we learn about fiber. Fiber. Fiber is also called as roughage. It has no nutritive value. Yet the main work of fiber is first, prevent constipation. Second, assist in process of digestion. Third, help to get rid of undigested food. The fiber that we absorb from plant products such as vegetables, such as cabbage, carrot, etc. Second is whole grains such as wheat and rice, fruits such as apple and peaches, etc. Now, the very main and important thing we learn in fiber is fiber have no nutritive value. It is called as roughage. The fiber that we eat is called dietary fiber. Now, we learn about very essential thing, water. Water. Have you ever thought water is essential for us? Yes, it is very essential for us. Without food, we can survive many weeks. But without water, we cannot survive because water is very essential for us. So, please save water and save our earth. The liquids that we drink such as water, milk, juices and tea are the some sources of water. Are the some very important sources of water. Now we will learn about some very important role of water. First, water helps. Water that we drink is very important for us. Second, it helps to move some objects within our body. It helps to maintain constant temperature of body. Third, it helps to throwing wastes such as urine and sweat. And fifth, it helps to absorb nutrients from the food. You know, 70% of human body is made from water. And you know, friends, also in every day we need 2 to 3 liters of water. Now I think you have also learned about water. Now I will tell you some important things that we learn in water. First, water is essential for us, and 70% of human body is made by water. Third, every day we need 2 to 3 liters of water. Thank you.